Temperatures, they've started to soar, right, for the summer. It's time to honor the most refreshing drink in the country, iced tea.
Are you sweetened or unsweetened, Todd?
Sweetened and lemon, thank you very much.
Unsweetened all the way, nothing in it. Don't touch it with anything. Today is National Iced Tea Day, and original Tin Cup and DrinkGR co-founder Nate Blury is joining us with one of his favorite ways to dress up this beverage. Okay, maybe with what you have, we could have make an exception.
I was just going to say, Leanne, so Todd, I'm normally in the sweet tea camp with you, but my goodness, when it comes to iced tea, the most iconic drink of all is Arnold Palmer's,
yes,
if you ask me.
Love it.
And then if it's me involved, there's got to be some booze too. So I thought I would do an Arnold Palmer in the form of a bourbon peach tea. So this was the recipe I sort of came up with. I made my own little sun tea yesterday, and then I have some fresh squeezed lemonade here, and I have some bourbon. This is from St. Liberty. This is Mary's 4-grain. So it's a 4-grain bourbon. It's very, very interesting. So what I'm going to do this recipe is really simple. I'm going to start with 2 ounces of the bourbon and just give this a nice little pour into the rocks glass here. And it's National Tea Day, so I might put a little extra splash in here.
National Tea Day means extra bourbon. I'm pretty sure that's what it means.
Well, there's also, you got to do equal parts lemonade. And then, of course, sweet tea here. So I have an ounce of each of those as well. So I have the lemonade and the sweet tea. And I'm going to do a little peach liqueur. I'm just going to do a little bit. I'm going to do about a half an ounce of the peach liqueur right here.
Now, is that the schnapps? Is that what that is?
Yep. And then some bitters, too. So
okay,
I've got all that right there. Give this a nice little stir. And, of course, I've got my little peach slices here. And the secret touch is a little extra mint. And I actually, when I do some fresh mint, the reason bartenders do this is it releases the essential oils from the mint. So you just want to, you want to smack your mint.
I'm just going to walk around hitting people with mint. People just have it come, I'm just going to, what? You need the essential oil.
If you remember nothing else from this segment, you got to smack your mint.
I will walk around to people with a twig. I got to release essential oils.
It's National Iced Tea Day, for Pete's sake. So let's have fun. Let's enjoy summer. Let's get out there. And yeah, to me, an Arnold Palmer is perfect. That lemonade sweet tea mix, add a little bourbon, some peach liqueur, and you have an awesome, refreshing cocktail. But we have a ton of these ideas and recipes that you can get over on our website. And of course, in our Facebook group, DrinkGR as well, where you can get all of the latest drinking news here in West Michigan, but also these fun recipe ideas and, those bartending tips, like with the mint.
Smash your mint, right. Hey, when it comes to using that bourbon had 4 grains, that sounds pretty unique.
Yes. So this is great. So to be bourbon, it has to have, we call it the mash bill, how much grain is used in the mixture at the beginning. So it has to have at least 51% corn, but then you can add other elements to it. So this, with St. Liberty, it's barley, it's rye, and then the 4th grain is wheat. And wheated bourbon is very popular. There's another distillery called Buffalo Trace that does this. And so that is the 4 grain. You can get this at any of your favorite local liquor stores, and you can just ask for it, or, at Rishi's or D. Schuler's or any of those great places. And it's really fun, great company. And then, I just used some New Amsterdam peach liqueur, some bitters, and made my own sweet tea.
It's beautiful. Sounds like a really good drink.
I can tell you what, I'm really enjoying the DrinkGR group. I love it because some people are like, have you seen this special beer? Have you tried this special beer? Look what I'm drinking. And I really like it. It just creates a really great conversation for people who love that type of community. So.
And I love craft cocktails. So going on there, you find those really, really unique places that craft a quality cocktail for you. Yeah, good stuff. Hey, drink recipes and more waiting for you at facebook.com/groups/DrinkGR. Just look for DrinkGR on Facebook, or to go to originaltincup.com. Originaltincup.com. Thanks, Nate.
Cheers to you.